Hello. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to explore a brand new AI video maker tool. This video is divided into 3 chapters. In Chapter 1, we'll demonstrate how to create a video with a 3D talking avatar from ChatGPT Prompt. In Chapter 2, we'll showcase 14 different avatars with various nationalities and languages, including English, Spanish, Russian, Portuguese, Hindu, Chinese, Korean, Japanese, and Indonesian. I'd love to hear your feedback in the comments section, so please let me know which avatar model you like the most. In the last chapter, we'll engage in an interactive chat with an AI human by asking some weird questions. So let's jump right in.
Please subscribe my channels. Step 1. Register for AI Studio using the link provided in this video's description to obtain a free trial version. You can register using your Google account or email. Step 2. Once the registration process is complete, click on the Create a Free Video button or log into your dashboard. Click on the ChatGPT icon to start generating a video with ChatGPT's help. Step 3. Type your command or prompt. In this video, I asked ChatGPT to create a video about how to become more productive. Select your desired template, then click Create your video with ChatGPT to start generating your video. Wait for the process to complete. Step 4. Once the generation process is complete, you can either start rendering your video or customize it to meet your needs. You have the option to change the avatar, avatar voice, avatar style, object position, or background using stock images or video stock. Additionally, if needed, you can add background music to your video. Step 5. Once everything is set up, click the Export button and choose the video option. Wait for the rendering process to complete. Here's an example of the video result.
Have you ever felt like you're not accomplishing enough during the day? Learn to eliminate distractions and find focus in order to excel in your work and personal life. Create a schedule and stick to it as much